every year when New Year's comes around, we all reflect upon last year and maybe our entire life and think of all the good things that happened to us. And at Wilson Auto Repair, all the guys that work here, including myself, have a great opportunity here to help people relive their memories by getting their classic car fixed at our shop and then getting to use that classic car to help them relive their memories from when they were younger. That's the same for me. This old truck we call Frankie, that's my truck, was a replica of a truck that my grandfather used to pick me up in and take me down to his Ford dealership when he was, I think I was about 4 years old. So at the end of the year, when we look at all this stuff and we reflect back on it, we at Wilson Auto Repair want to wish all of you a very happy new year, a very prosperous new year, and we hope that you will jump in your classic car and drive around on New Year's Day and enjoy the day.
So my tip of the year is you can use some glass cleaner to clean your paint off.
Another tip for your classic cars, check for rust anywhere, everywhere, in between.
Keep classic cars on the road.
Hello, my tip for the year would be to keep all those fluids as fresh as possible and at the right level to protect all those moving parts. Happy New Year.
Hey, don't forget to rotate your tires.
Hola, mi nombre es Román. Le recomiendo que en sus transmisiones o el sistema de enfriamiento de las transmisiones coloquen este dispositivo que baja la temperatura del aceite del motor para evitar que haya sobrecalentamiento en la misma y tengan que gastar mucho en reparación.
When wet sanding, always remember to stay hydrated.
Pro tip, don't let your car sit. Drive them, enjoy them. They didn't do anything to you, they deserve your love.
So a good thing to bring when trying to buy an older vehicle is a magnet, because you can always check your quarter panels or fenders and see if there's any bondo or any kind of previous repairs. And yeah.
When's the last time you checked your oil? Now's a good time to do it.
Quick tip. When working on classic cars, be aware of your surroundings and what's going on.
One good tip is to always hand wash your classic cars. Never use the machine.
Don't hold your start is my tip of the day.
Before making your purchases, please make sure you double and triple check.
When you are on the classical cars and you are welding, remember, don't look at the light.
The sun's the enemy, which means making sure that your car is polished. Not only does it keep it shiny, but it protects it from the environmental damages.
Hi everybody, we're replacing vintage car parts. Let's see if somebody else can use them. Let's keep our classic cars on the road. Happy New Year.
So a quick tip before I go. Around the holidays, this time of year, everybody likes to hit the road. But make sure that you check your gear and your tires, check your tire pressure. Also make sure